Hi YouTubers, JDCap26 here, and we've got the Notre Dame Hunchback here, and you see how we've got these things here, the ropes. We have to stretch and put them in here. I'm going to try to use the heat gun, do that very carefully, and I'm not going to show that while I'm doing it because I got too much work to do here, but I'll show you the results afterwards. So you don't want to do the heat gun thing because you get something like this, it'll break away. And you gotta hold. I was holding the heat gun way out here and trying to stretch it, and also with this. So for this front one, there's a piece coming off here, so I just cut it up the side here, right here, and I'm gonna cut this and extend it and see if I can get it down farther down to reach this pin, so I can pin it in. So let's try that. So we took the file and we cut a piece of spew. I don't know if you can see this, but that piece is going to go in here with some green stuff. Okay, so if you can see this, I took a piece of spew and I scored it around with a small file, and then I stuck it on with some green stuff to extend it, and then I glued it here. I took this piece from up here and put it down here to have it all one length. Okay, once you spray it, it should be fine. Just have a little glob right here, but I couldn't help that. This, he's breaking away from the pedestal right here, so that's fine because he's a pretty strong guy. And here it is from the side view. So we're going to be letting this dry, and then we're going to be painting it next. So we're going to start airbrushing the base, the brown. Like so. So now we're going to go in with another color to do the pants. This is like a purple color. I don't know. I might have to do a lot of hand brushing. So we did the pants, and they're purple, and we're going to do this shirt now. And we have a little problem with the airbrush, so we have to pull the pin on it. So we're going in with some green paint here and doing it by brush. I like brush painting. It's very rewarding, very challenging. All you gotta do is take your time, that's all. So I've been hand painting with green here, and we're following along here and just grabbing one brush at a time. And coming out pretty good, I guess. Well, guys and girls, painting the flesh tone here, I noticed that I screwed up. Yep. This front side is supposed to be on the back side. That's supposed to be his back. And around here is supposed to be his front. So I really screwed up this model. But too late to take it apart. Much to do. I'd have to pop off his head and everything else. So he looks pretty good as is. I'm going to just reverse the pattern and fix it up paint wise. So I just want to let you know you can screw this model up like I did. Okay, that's the back. Okay, so in assembling it, Quasimodo, he was misjudged and treated badly, and it wasn't his fault. He just wanted to be kind, and they treated him terrible. But he's not done yet. Still got some more painting to do. Okay, guys and girls, he's all done. Phantom, I want to say Phantom all the time. Hunchback of Notre Dame is all done, and there he is. And all he's got to do is put on a clear coat to finish him. And get a close-up of his face. There's his face. And other than screwing up this thing with the chest, you know, reversing it, you got to watch that when you're making the model. So I'm sorry about that, guys, and I know I apologized before, but things happen. But I made the best of it, and I think it came out pretty darn good otherwise. So I could always make them over again, buy another kit, do them the right way. See, what happens is when you switch it around, the front to the back, the ropes will all fit. You don't have to do all this nonsense with extending the ropes and everything else and melting the ropes. So live and learn. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and share. And if you don't like modding videos, please share them with people that do, if you know somebody. And you have a great day. Thanks for watching.